As I left the refreshment room, I saw a train coming in. His train. He wasn't on the platform, and I suddenly felt panic-stricken at the thought of not seeing him again.
I'm so sorry. So disturbed. I know way of letting you know.
Your train, you'll miss it.
The house surgeon had to operate, so I thought they might shout your name out of the van.
Please don't tell him I really Quickly, quickly, the whistle's gone.
I'm so glad I had a chance to explain. I didn't think I'd see you again.
I'm upset. I mean, quickly, quickly.
Next Thursday?
Yes, next Thursday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thursday. Bye.
The train for Ketchworth is about to leave from platform